A very good morning, students. Myself, Mrs. Dipali. We already started your second chapter of civic, the diversity in society. Within that introduction, diversity is our strength, the principle of secularism, that much we have studied in the last session. Today we start with the next point, the contribution of society to our development. See children, what do we learn by living in a society? What values, qualities do we imbibe? Let us see how society help us to develop our personality. So first point, cooperation. See, all societies are based on mutual cooperation between individuals and the community. The very existence of the society depends on the cooperation between individuals. Cooperation is the process of sharing and helping each other in solving problems and removing difficulties. A family cannot remain together without an attitude of cooperation among its members. The same is true of society. Lack of cooperation hampers our progress. Day-to-day life will also not run smoothly. Cooperation makes interdependence in society healthier and allows inclusion of everybody in the society. It is a process of inclusion and of moving ahead, taking along all sections of society. Next, tolerance and understanding. Just as there is a cooperation in the society, so also at times there can be differences of opinion, disputes and conflicts. Disputes and conflicts arise when there is a lack of agreement in the opinion. That means when there are the different opinions of each and everybody, so there will be the conflict between the different opinions, ideas, views of the people. Prejudice or misconception about each other can also lead to the conflict. Sometimes we have heard about the Hindu-Muslim riot like that. This may be the example for that. However, it is in the nobody's interest to keep a conflict going for a long time. People find a way to resolve conflicts through compromise and understanding. Thus, conflicts can end if people make efforts to understand each other and show a spirit of tolerance. An understanding attitude leads to a lot of new learning. We accept new ideas. This helps to further enrich our social life. We become more tolerant. Society provides us an opportunity to learn this simple method of maintaining well-being and peace in a society. Next point, an opportunity to perform different roles. See, in society we play different roles. Each individual has several roles and the responsibilities and duties of every role are well defined. While playing these roles at home and outside, we form bonds with many people. However, changes may occur in the parts of we play. Regulation of the society. See, in order that society functions smoothly, some rules are required. In ancient times, society was mostly regulated with the help of traditions, but in modern times, along with traditions, laws are needed. Law is a different form, tradition and custom. The regulation of society through laws and tradition is carried out by different organization and institution. The government bodies at the local level also play an important role in the process of regulation of the society.